Good morning, people. It's Menenberg with another life lesson. In the previous video, I showed you how to make drip or filtered coffee. This video, I'm going to show you how to make French press, which may impress a few more people. So first, you want to put the coffee in the press, and if it's this is a 32-ounce one, you want to have it about maybe half an inch of coffee. You can do more, you can do less, depending on how strong you want it. Then you want to bring a pot of water to a near boil. You'll hear it. It won't be quite boiling, but it'll be very hot. So I've just done that, and you're going to pour the water in like so. And again, you can do half of this. I'm going to do all the way up to this line here. And then you're going to take a spoon and you're going to stir. Okay? A lot of people miss this step, but you want those grounds to be pretty well blended into the water. Okay, so stir for a second. You're going to put that in the sink. Okay. Next, you're going to want to wait. Okay, so now if I leave this exposed, obviously the heat runs off. So I'm going to put the lid right on, and you end up waiting for roughly 4 minutes for it to steep. Okay, that's where it gets all happy. And then you're going to push it down. Now, you'll know you did it right if when you push down or press the coffee, you get some resistance. It shouldn't be like you need like both hands and a friend to push this down, but it should be some resistance. And then again, so you're going to wait about 4 minutes. We're not going to do that right now. I'm going to do it a little quicker. It's not going to kill the coffee if you press it down a little early. I have kids, so obviously I don't have as much time. So, you know, just in terms of making this, it's very easy. It does require a coffee grinder. You do have to grind the coffee. You can buy it pre-ground, and the grind is a little bit coarser than what you do for your filtered coffee. So if I'm doing a grind, I usually have, so I have my grinder right here. Oops. I usually grind it for about 20 seconds, and that's enough. You can grind it more. Like an espresso is much finer, but you don't want grounds in your coffee. That's why you do it a little coarser. Okay, so I'm gonna press this down slowly. You can see you can't see, but there is some resistance. And that is how you make a French press. Again, it's a lot more impressive than the filtered drip coffee, but it's not really hard at all. As you can see, the video is actually a little bit less. Just pour that right in. And that is a great way to start the day, my friends. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe. I'll see you next time.